This is the official unboxing of my newest G-Shock. It is the mirror face, crazy colors, metallic maroon. So let's do the official unboxing. Let's pop this open. Box. Here's the G-Shock box. It's a little beat up box, but it's alright. Let's see here. So take a second. Here's the can. It's a little different can. Usually it's the circular can. I've never had one that has the hexagon. Just put this down for a sec. There's the box. Let's pop this open. We got it open. Instruction manual, whatever. And here it is. This is nice. This is the Maroon. So, seeing it for the first time. Ooh, there it is. That's nice. It's really nice. It's got the maroon resin band. You got the purple G there. You got the mirror metallic face. You got the purple G there. All maroon band. Let's light it up. Ooh, it lights up blue. It's really nice. So, here it is, the Maroon mirror face, crazy colors G-Shock. Really cool maroon. It almost looks like Iron Man. It's like a dark, deep maroon with a little bit of speckle in there. Then it's got the little purple accent. Face also looks purple, but, you know, lights up blue. Like that. As you can see there, focusing on that, it says G-Shock in a light purple metallic face. The maroon. It's a really nice watch. It's got to be up there as one of my favorites. It's just really cool. I've never seen one of these yet. I haven't seen it in the store. I haven't seen anyone wearing one. I picked mine up. Actually got it online, Amazon, for a pretty good price. I got it for $75, no tax, free shipping. So retails for about $100. But overall, a really nice watch. I'm definitely happy with it. Thank you for watching.